Okay, let's make some coffee. So first is to warm up the machine. So it will take a minute or 3. When all the lights are steady, it's the Baumann Living Professional Espresso Machine. Or what are the challenges that making your daily coffee is the factor that the beans, you need fresh and quality beans. That's Arabica. And then after the machine warm-ups, we need to prepare the portafilter. So I'm using the double shot portafilter. One of the challenges is of having a coffee machine is you produce a consistent taste coffee. So this, I set the grinder to around 5 and let the machine grind itself. Yeah. The freshly grind coffee beans. This makes a lot the coffee taste. And also I used this type. It's a needle something coffee beans. The grind coffee beans and the portafilter before I press it. And also I'm using this type. So it will go right there to press it, and that's the compress. So there's also a label max on the portafilter. Better result. I'm also using a disc with a very small holes. So this is to protect also my portafilter and my machine mount. So this and then we need to put the cup double shot. And now it's already starting to brew. So it will produce a consistent coffee. Pour some milk and then insert the steamer. Then let the milk stir itself and touching the cap to a better temperature. Do not over skim the milk. Now it's too hot. So turn it off. Now you'll just produce a result. But don't forget to clean this because milk precipitate will stick here. And do some. Okay. So now the milk is ready and our coffee is ready. So we'll start pouring it. I don't have the coffee, the heart. So, yeah. That's a perfect cappuccino without the bubbles. Cappuccino. The other one will be I'll just press the hot water. And also the machine can produce hot water. And now you have an Americano. That's how powerful the coffee machine. Right. Turn it off. Alright.